Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You will start by preparing the phone and locating APN entries. First, make sure the device is unlocked and has at least 20% battery. This prevents interruptions. Once ready, open Settings, then Network and Internet or Connections depending on your Android build. From there, tap Mobile Network and choose Access Point Names. You're at the APN list now, where each carrier profile appears. Pause and identify the APN you intend to disable. Do not delete it yet, because you may need to restore settings. Now you will disable the APN without losing the original configuration. Tap the APN you identified. If your Android shows a toggle or checkbox labeled Preferred or Active, switch it off to deactivate that profile. If there is no toggle, create a new dummy APN. Set name to Disabled and use invalid values for APN and proxy fields, then save and select it. Once the dummy APN is selected, the original entry is effectively disabled, while still available for restoration. Finish by ensuring changes take effect and know how to recover. Restart your device to apply the new APN selection. This forces the network to drop old settings. If you need the original APN again, open Access Point Names and reselect or edit the saved profile back to active. If mobile data or MMS stops working, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then disable it. Or use Settings, right arrow Mobile Network, right arrow Reset to Default to restore carrier APNs. That reset is the key troubleshooting tip if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.